How to get the YouTube Premium 3 months trial. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get your YouTube Premium 3 months trial. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Alright, let's continue. So the very first thing you want to do is obviously open up your YouTube application and make sure that it is up to date. If you don't have your YouTube up to date, then you might want to update the app. So as you can see, as I have opened my app, the YouTube Premium has popped up. So let me tell you one thing first. The 3 months trial is not available on all of the regions. So depending on where you live, you will have different kind of offers for your subscription trial. So in order to check that, you first want to head over to your profile section by tapping on the bottom right corner. And from here, you can just tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, if you tap on purchase and memberships, you will see all of the available plans right here. So for YouTube Premium, here is a student plan and the first month is free. So in my region, there is no 3 months trial. So as I've said earlier, it is completely dependent on your region, whether your region has the 3 month trial or not. But if you have this, you can just tap on learn more and see all of these available offers that you can pick from. So if you can do this, you can just tap on it and provide your ID, all of your login credentials, and enjoy your free trial. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.